All right, welcome back. Now we're going to talk about the priority details column. This is where you'll find information about the resident's priority for moving to Sienna on Brendanwood or any of the properties. So first we'll look at our first resident, and notice that if I scroll left and right, I'll still be able to see the resident's name. So that is convenient as you are moving about the spreadsheet. But specifically here, we're looking at their priority. So overall, this is going to identify whether the lead is warm, hot, or cold. And when you do select, there's an automatic color change that correlates with that. All right, so we're actually going to go ahead and do a cold lead for an example. We're going to say that their move date is 5 years from now. You can also select immediate or 1 year, as Stacy mentioned. That was a more relevant timeline, as well as their shopping status, whether they're considering other options or if they've committed to Sienna on Brendanwood. So we'll go ahead and say that they're considering. Now in this case, what we want to do next is actually move this cold lead to our lost/cold leads. So what we'll do is select this row and copy it. So all I did was I clicked with my right mouse and held down and dragged across to select the row. You can also click on the number right here and it'll select the whole row. And to copy, you press Control C. So I press Control C to copy. And I'm going to come over to this lost and cold leads, and I'm actually going to press right here, and we'll see that our resident 1 is now pasted into this row. One thing to note is it does replace the current row. So if you're going to be pasting and there are already residents here, what you might want to do is insert one row above by right-clicking on the number at the beginning of the row and inserting one row above. And you can also paste it into right here. And pasting is Control V, and you see I've pasted again and it's replaced that row. All right. Another way of pasting is to edit, paste. That way you don't have to remember the shortcut. Okay, so let's say the lead gets warm or hot again a couple years later or a couple months later. Let's go ahead and highlight that row now, and we're going to take it back to our warm or hot profiles. So what to do is once you've highlighted, press Control C again, go back to our profiles, and Control V to paste that back in. And now we see that this resident has become a part of our leads again.